Okay, first let's talk about how to hold a knife. If you hold it back on the handle like this, you'll lack control and it's quite inefficient. Instead, hold it by the base of the blade, use one swift motion, and peel your fingertips back and your other hand into a claw to protect them. Ever wonder how to remove the papery outside layer of skin on a garlic clove easily? Just smash it with the flat side of your knife. It should come off. I know it's tempting to want to flip things in a pan by going vertically up and down, but that will just create a mess. Instead, push it forward and then pull it back to create this beautiful wave that won't splash over every surface of your kitchen. Perfectly dicing an onion is actually pretty simple. Cut the onion in half, ensuring that each half has the root intact. Remove the skin, and then cut downwards towards the root like this. And then cut horizontally towards the root like this. Lastly, make one final cut to perfectly dice your onion. Finally, you can use a spoon to remove the outside layer of skin on ginger root. You'll also find you'll save more of the root this way. And there you have it, 5 basic tips to make cooking at home a lot easier and maybe more fun. If you found this video enjoyable and instructive, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, may you have good food and good company.